is Kent, KJS Painting and Renovations, and here's how I repair plaster. Well, plaster was falling out of the wall, right? So I knocked off the loose stuff, right? Took the shop vac, kind of got it nice and clean, right? See, this is an extruded metal mesh. It's a galvanized extruded metal mesh. So I cut this out and I'm going to attach it with a staple gun here, right? Look, I came up with an easy way to know how to mark this piece here, right? To cut, just outline it in tape, right? And then I just cut along the edge of the tape and it will fit in. Okay, got the wire mesh on, and listen, it kind of ties all that together, makes it a bit stronger. Now I've got some of this, right? Sikaflex. It's a concrete bonding adhesive, and what I do, got some of this in a bucket, right? And so just kind of get up and brush it in like so, nice and liberal. Just keep going for it. Nothing sticks to dust, right? So this also helps with that. You can also mix this bonding adhesive in with the plaster and make the plaster a little bit stronger. I think I'll do that. Just kind of work it in there. And it's okay to go outside the lines a little bit and get it on the wall. I mean, down here where it dripped, you might want to wipe that off with a rag. I happen to have some plaster Paris, so that's what we have here. And I do not have my trowel and my stuff for stucco and plaster, so I'm just going to use, you know, my tape and mud pan. My water, a little bit of bonding adhesive, and I'm just going to add it here to my mud pan, right? So here we go. I got this mixed up about like this, right? Kind of, so it hangs on the edge of the trowel. Okay, I'm starting at the bottom and I just push this into the key, right? Of course, I'd like to have my bigger trowel. Okay, I don't have my bigger trowel, but this is the idea, just so you guys know. I start at the bottom, I start pushing this into the key, right? Well, this stuff sets up quick, and I'm working with one hand, no tripod today. So I switched over to one of these and just got it worked in to the key. Really, mostly I would use a trowel. But using my tape mud knife, that's what I got. A lot easier if I have two hands going. But you kind of get the idea. And just be liberal. I'm kind of working in a circle, just filling this in. It sets fast, so all this is already starting to set. Right, then I think I'll switch over to a bigger knife for the next round. Make sure to scrape this off as you go. You know, you don't want this sticking out. So you want to get this wall should be nice and plumb. And you shouldn't really see this when you're done. I'm stepping up to the 12-inch knife now, right? Still going one-handed. Give me a break. Normally I'd hold this pan underneath here and go two hands, but I'm trying to get a little video spot in here, right? Okay, it's okay to go outside the lines too, you know? You can treat this plaster sort of the way you would do a hot mud or, you know, joint compound. Kind of getting this sort of thing happening. Here's a little something unorthodox here. Instead of sanding, these folks don't want any dust. And so what I'm going to do is just sponge float this thing. Timing is essential. And just kind of get in here, kind of blend it in like you would do stucco, right? Kind of blend it in. No sanding. I have the paint matched. So we're going to do some touch up here. You know, for the record, this house is a late 1800s house. We doing the best we can. Got some folks coming in soon. Didn't want to open up a can of worms. Well, this has been Kent, KJS Painting and Renovations, and thanks for coming with me on this ride. patching plaster today. Thanks for liking and subscribing to the videos. And yeah, thank you for your support. If you want some help doing this sort of thing, please look me up. I'd be more than happy to come out and do this sort of thing for you.
Ain't no more money when you're dead.